Genesis. Go get him. Oh goodness, you're cruising. Go get your dada. Yeah, you talking to the kitty? Genesis, what are you doing? You want Dada to come out? There's a kitty. Blue. Come here, Blue. He does not care. He is busy playing. What you growling at? Genesis, leave that alone. Come here. There's Dada. Dada. Here he is. Nope.